Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create animate videos with real video using a Stable Diffusion and show you how to install and using other tips. The first thing you should do is install a Stable Diffusion interface on your computer. The link is on the description, you can see that. Follow the instruction, run away, click clean install if you never installed a Stable Diffusion before. Just follow the instruction for installing a Stable Diffusion. There's a lot model for a Stable Diffusion. You need to try to find the best thing for you. You can use Disney 19 anime, arcane anime, or anything like that. The main installation is begin to download. This may take few minutes. After that, launcher is opening. You should check auto update extension, and if you have low VRAM 8 GB or less, you should check low VRAM. For checking what VRAM you have, type dxdiag on your run and see what is your VRAM in display 2. Then you should start the launcher. You can run manually webui.user and copy the link into your browser and open the Stable Diffusion. In this video we are using image to image. There's a lot model you can use. This is the arcane mode, you can see in here the arcane anime. You can copy the model of that. We go in the file and version and download the arcane diffusion version 3 CKPT. Save link and copy that in a Stable Diffusion folder, models Stable Diffusion. Okay, save, and that should be download in there. We refresh the models and you can see the arcane model. We go to face restriction and choose Coco Former and use that in 0. Apply setting, and now we go to user interface and copy the thing you can see in the private description. Reload UI and let's create new video. Okay, first of all we need to export our video to PNG file. For this we need to use Premiere or After Effects. Use PNG file in here. The raw file you have to render in the number 2 folder you want to export. Okay, I just export my video to PNG in the file. Next, you need to go to a Stable Diffusion. There is two things in here. First, I just need to upload my photo. There is two things in here, image to image, negative prompt and positive prompt. I have a text image in my background that include some prompts for getting best result. I have a note in my background, so I use my bad prompts in bad prompts forms, and I have some epic prompts either, so I just use them too to create best anime for this video. Then we have such things in option. The first one is for resolution. You can choose what resolution you want. This is mine for my video. I have a 1070 GTX G4 8 GB VRAM, so this is not very good for creating anime, but that can work perfectly. First, you just need to find your thing and come here. There is a lot option. You can follow my instruction and see the result. The next episode I will talk to you about the things in here, and I will upload a book for Stable Diffusion for you guys. The next thing you have to do is going to batch file. Batch file is for creating video. In batch file you can find a folder that includes a lot photo for your video. Then you should find a folder for copy that path for getting export in that library. This is very easy, just need to follow the instruction that I use. This will wait for a long time, you can see in here, and this depends on your system. After the progress complete, you should go to the folder you export, then pick the image you have and replace them into After Effects. There's a lot of photo that I created before, you can see. Then you should go to After Effects software and open the file you created, and it's done. If you click the space button, you can see the entire video in the second. Find your folder that you want to upload, and it's done.